Tammy Slaton has left fans speechless once again, but this time it's not because of drama, health scares, or the usual family antics from 1000 LB Sisters. It's her transformation, shocking, powerful, and, above all, beautiful. The 1000 LB Sisters star recently unveiled the jaw-dropping results of her plastic surgery procedures and fans are in complete awe. For someone whose journey has been marked with setbacks, hospital visits, life or death moments, and brutal criticism, this moment is nothing short of triumphant. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit exploded with messages of support and disbelief as images and clips of Tammy's new look began circulating. "You look beautiful," one fan wrote on Instagram, a sentiment echoed by thousands more. Many who have followed her journey from the very beginning, when she struggled to walk, breathe, or even sit comfortably, are calling this her ultimate glow-up. It's the kind of moment fans hoped for but weren't sure they'd ever witness. Tammy's plastic surgery journey has not been quick or easy. After her weight loss surgery and months of strict rehab, fitness training, and a new lease on life, Tammy finally qualified for skin removal and facial procedures, something she's been dreaming of since her early days on TLC. Her weight loss of over 300 pounds was a game changer, but the excess skin served as a painful and physical reminder of her past struggles. That's why this new step was so emotional, not just for her but for viewers who've rooted for her through everything. Tammy reportedly underwent an extensive procedure that included full-body skin removal, a lower body lift, and reconstructive work on her face and neck area. The surgery took several hours and was carried out by a team of renowned plastic surgeons, some of whom have worked with other TLC stars in similar circumstances. According to behind-the-scenes reports, Tammy was nervous before the operation but determined. Her biggest worry wasn't the pain, it was whether she'd still recognize herself after the transformation. "I want to see the new me, but I don't want to forget the old me," she reportedly told family members before the surgery. In true Tammy fashion, her emotional vulnerability touched many. She wasn't trying to erase who she was. She was trying to honor her past while building a future. Post-surgery, Tammy's recovery was intense, but her willpower surprised even her doctors. Within days, she was sitting up, eating light meals, and even smiling for selfies. When she shared her first post-op photo online, fans were floored. The change in her facial structure was undeniable, her jawline was visible, her cheeks looked naturally sculpted, and her eyes had a new light in them. "She looks like a whole new woman," one user posted on Reddit. "And she looks happy." That happiness is something Tammy has had to fight for every single day. Viewers remember the darker moments, her struggle with oxygen tanks, her time in rehab, and the countless times doctors warned her about the brink of death. But now, the new Tammy seems to have emerged stronger, clearer, and more radiant. Her latest TikTok video, in which she playfully flaunts her slimmer figure in a colorful dress, has been viewed over 10 million times. Fans left thousands of comments, many of which were simple expressions of support and joy. "Queen," one follower wrote. "You did it," wrote another. Others got emotional. "I'm crying right now," said one fan. "This is the Tammy I always knew was inside. She finally got the body that matches her spirit." Tammy hasn't been shy about sharing her emotional response either. In a recent live session, she teared up while reading comments from fans and thanked everyone who stood by her. "I didn't think I'd ever get here," she said. "I thought I'd be dead by now." The honesty struck a chord with her audience, many of whom have battled their own demons with health, self-image, or self-worth. Tammy has always had a complicated relationship with the public. While she's gained millions of fans through the show, she's also faced intense online bullying and ridicule. Critics often called her lazy, unmotivated, or even attention-seeking. But now, even the harshest corners of the internet seem to be softening their tone. Some former critics have openly apologized, saying they were wrong to judge her based on her heaviest moments. "She proved us all wrong," one former Reddit hater wrote. "She had the strength the whole time. We just didn't see it." Tammy's transformation also raises questions about the future of 1000 LB Sisters. Will the show's focus shift now that the weight loss arc has reached a natural peak? Or will TLC find new ways to follow Tammy's next chapter, whether it's dating, rebuilding family relationships, or becoming an inspiration to others battling obesity. According to insiders, TLC is already filming follow-up episodes focusing on Tammy's recovery and the emotional aftermath of her plastic IC surgery. Fans can expect a raw, inside look at what it truly means to rebuild your life, not just physically but emotionally and mentally as well. Tammy herself is reportedly interested in starting a new spin-off or docuseries centered around life after extreme weight loss. There's even talk that she may consider motivational speaking, book writing, or even launching her own body-positive brand. Meanwhile, her family has expressed overwhelming support. Amy Slayton, her sister and longtime co-star, shared a touching Instagram story saying, "I'm so proud of you, sis. You did the impossible. Now the world gets to see the real you." Chris Combs, their brother, also shared his reaction. "This ain't the same Tammy. This is the Tammy I prayed for." Viewers are hoping that this new era will also bring healing between Tammy and Amy, who have had a rocky relationship in recent seasons. The shared experience of transformation might bring them closer again, or at least offer room for forgiveness and growth. One major reason why Tammy's transformation is hitting so hard for fans is that it's not just about vanity. It's about survival, rebirth, and resilience. It's the physical manifestation of years of pain, change, and effort. Every surgery scar, every drop of sweat from a workout, every skipped soda, and every moment she chose to fight instead of give up is etched into the woman fans see now. And that woman is radiant. In an age where body positivity and self-love are being reshaped, Tammy's journey holds significant weight. She's not a model trying to stay skinny, she's a fighter trying to live. That makes her one of the most relatable reality TV figures of her time. Her transformation isn't a fairy tale, it's a war story. And Tammy Slayton is finally winning. As her fans keep saying, "You look beautiful." But what they're really saying is this: "We see your heart, and it's shining." Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.